What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another banger video. And today it's a beautiful day outside, and today we are here at midnight. Jay is here, I think, washing the car or doing something with the car. So I'm about to go check on him, see what he's doing, and then kind of figure out how the day's gonna go. But I'm really not sure. It's really one of them up in the air vlogs. But we about to go at midnight and find Jay and see what he's doing. Who it is? This guy's doing manual labor. Wow. And he's on the phone. Only him. Dog, he finally washed these wheels. About time. Goodness gracious. Motor City Wicks. Look at the Porsche. This is the first time y'all ever seen it being washed. This is the first time I've seen it being cleaned in so long. Like, crazy. But it's starting to look good again. Starting to look like the Porsche again. So, in the meantime, let's get a quick montage of Jay washing the Porsche.
Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some gas and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look great. Yeah. They gonna look at what those doing.
Look at them working together. I love to see it. How many people do it take to clean a Porsche?
At least 30.
OMG. I'm so happy you got it back though, I ain't gonna lie.
Bro, I haven't had this car for 2 months.
That's a long time.
City fam, it's been 2 months. Leave my channel and go follow Ken anyway. City fam.
Hey, he might as well have got a McLaren at that point. Y'all should stay in the shop all summer, gang.
They did though. I missed the whole season.
That's so sad. But it looks good though.
That's the truth.
What emblem you say you putting back on or something?
Emblem?
You say you put.
Right here.
Oh yeah.
Remember the Porsche I was
Yeah, it was off. I did. I forgot this was off. Then you put this together?
Put it on the line.
You did it? Damn, you master of everything.
Actually, I won't lie, it was me. Oh, I know. I know.
This thing looks so good, y'all.
It's pepper. It looks like somebody
Alright, everybody, so as of right now, the craziest thing is about to happen. You got 3 people over here in the midst of about to take 1, 2 doors off the Porsche GT3. The first Porsche GT3 ever with no doors off. The first Porsche GT3 with no doors on. It's about to be an insane experience.
One of them ones. Shit, I'm up to you. He's one of them ones.
Bro, and it's like, right now, I can't even believe he's doing it, bro. Like, I understand, but I still, like, in awe. Like, are you serious, bro?
You gotta go live, too.
That's crazy. They are right now trying to figure out how to get it off. I done seen it all.
All right, bro.
Makes me nervous. The attempt is on the first door, I guess, maybe.
I knew those have to come off, those little pins, I think. That's what these are for. Hey, I think that's what these are for.
So right now they are attempting to take off the first door. It's taking 3 guys to get the first door off. Only because it's having some technical difficulties, but they're gonna come off eventually, y'all. But alright. OMG, the first door is off. The first door has made it off.
Rip the fucking panel.
What?
Oh, the mirror's still on.
First door.
No, I twisted it.
What the heck? There's no door here. Close your door so nobody takes it. How do you feel?
Gross. You gotta record this for me, though.
Here, you want to just grab the phone?
The second door is off.
I'm already holding the door.
What was that?
It's crazy.
Motor City fam. The second door is off. This is insane.
Bro, I don't know if I touched
Let go.
Can you open it wider?
Look at that.
Yeah, can it be wider like that one?
Yeah, that's probably the only thing.
Oh, yeah. It's the same way, bro.
Bro, this guy has taken the doors off.
If I sell a $4 bottle of Fiji, little sip, that's it. Don't be wasteful, people.
Don't be wasteful.
Don't be wasteful.
All right, we ain't got that much daylight time.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Where you parking? Yeah, all right, come on, let's go. We only got a few.
Yeah, we ain't got that much.
Come on,
Oh, oh my God, John. This is crazy. I'm about to get in with no door.
I'm being naked.
All right, everybody. So right now, me and Jay are on the freeway. Right now, no doors on the GT3 and shooting rollers at the same time. Grind, don't stop. But look at this, man. Foot out of the GT3. What kind of money do you have to do that? That's crazy. This hard. I ain't gonna lie. This is the way to end the summer. This is the way you end the summer here in the city, bro. Oh my God, we had this in the Lambo, bruh. Crazy. All right, everybody. So we just made it to Costco, and bro, this thing is crazy. No doors is insane. Jay had to stop and get gas, of course, because he been giving people rides. But we here at Costco right now, and it's kind of crazy right now. Everybody watching and looking at us, but this is insane, bro. No fake. I can't wait to upload this video, bro. Like, we're gonna break the internet for sure the next day or so. Like, be prepared, be ready, bro. You gotta show me, bro.
That's what I wanted. So he could drive and then he can get some rollers.
Yeah, I gotta get some rollers. I got to.
Boy, did you fill up your 3-gallon tank? It's still going. It was on E. That's why I had to get this thing has a tank like a bottle of water.
$70. I should. How much is gas? Golly, $80. Ooh, rich man. How much FU money do you have to do this?
Man, I don't have a job, Tommy.
And wait, not only does he have FU money and a Porsche, he got a Porsche with no doors on, bro. And he filled his tank up. Who does that? Yeah.
They're gonna be racing. Ain't no doors in this motherfucker.
That's right. Take them off. That's right. You take them off. That's how you let them.
Where y'all from, man?
That's how you do it.
Yeah, that's how y'all doing it. Hey, bro.
Crazy.
I ain't mad at that.
Best way to live.
He said, ain't no doors in it.
What'd he say, Jay?
Ain't no doors in it.
Wait, say it again.
Somebody just texted me and said, man, you on the freeway? Is it missing doors? Yeah.
Is it missing doors? Everybody, so we just made it to the Porsche dealership to stop and get some shots and some extra video of Jay while we here in front of the Porsche dealership, because why not? We're ignorant, I guess. I don't know. Break the internet. Grind, don't stop. City cast to drop, you know. But I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is one of the craziest experiences I've ever seen or ever been a part of, bro. This is crazy. This M5, look at this, boy. Oh, this is race fuel. Look at this. Bronze wheels. Oh my goodness. Look at the seats. Oh my God. M5 comp seats. This boy is bad. Ooh, this boy smells so good. M5 dude, no fade. Alright, everybody, so we just made it here to Mobile. Old Faithful, good old Mobile. M5, the Sequoia, and the Porsche with no doors on it. So we just got here, we just got done taking rollers and shooting content. The doors are still off. Jay thinking about keeping it off for the car meets tomorrow and see how that go. I think he should, because I think he wants to get something else, but he should get as much out of it as he can or whatever. But fire video, no fake, no cap, gotta love it. Yeah, man, like this is crazy. I would never forget this moment, ever. I would never forget this moment. All right, everybody, so this is gonna wrap up this video. We are back here at Porsche with the boys out on Woodward. We ain't been on Woodward in forever, but took the drawers off the GT3. It was the craziest thing ever, bro. Had the most fun ever with this car. It's crazy. But like, comment, subscribe. We're going to some car meets tomorrow. More banging videos. More more banger videos to come. Josh Laurent will be here next week. I miss my man. I ain't seen him in so long. So he'll be here. It should be a good time for the next 2 weeks as far as content goes. So I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.
Niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over.